Go liver. It's a go liver. Should be good. I don't know yet. I'm gonna try to make sure so I see a awesome and go. Because last week I said, "Is it ready to go?" And people was like, "Yo, it didn't go." All right. So man, shout out to y'all, man. This is Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. It's your boy Dash, man. I'm here on time. Lord knows I'm recording this beforehand. So you guys comment. Please continue to comment because I'm going to see those and I'll be able to update with the next information. I'm going to try to start doing more content throughout the week. If you guys want to see me do more content out the week, please make sure you guys say that because Lord knows you got to wait till Sunday to find out how you make money. I understand how you will want me to do more videos throughout the week because that's when the trading cycle actually happens. We actually talking about right now is my book, Dash Resource 5-Step Beginner's Edition. I'm going to give y'all my sauce today. I'm going to tell y'all exactly how I trade. So there's no more guessing on my strategy compared to somebody else. I've already had people contact me again about, you know what I'm saying, I've already went viral before talking about different stocks or different things like that when it came to a bunch of ways that people have made money, right? People have tagged me in multiple posts. You don't know, go to Facebook, type in Dash Resources, right? Or something like that. And you'll see I've made people money just based off my picks. And this is based off of my strategy. So I'm going to give y'all my strategy right now. If you want to get the in-depth way to trade, get my book on Amazon right now. But let's just start off right now with some of the step-by-step things, right? The 5 steps. Because the book do a lot of background stuff, a lot of things like that, talk about how to download the app. Literally, this is for beginners. If you've never traded before, this is the book for you because it literally teaches you how to start, how to fund your account every way. Like if this someone who just came home from prison, get them this book and tell them just to start that way. But for everybody who's already trading, who already got the app, these are my 5 steps. And let's break it down real quick. Number 1 is watch list shopping. So write that down. Watch list shopping. That means you add everything that you already buy on a continual basis. You add it to your watch list. So do you buy Clorox? You're going to Google Clorox stock. And they'll give you the ticker for it. The ticker is like a short version of the name, such as if you're looking up a flight to Los Angeles, you put in the flight ticker and they'll give you LAX, right? It's the same type of thing when it comes to stocks. You'll be able to put in the ticker to find out what Clorox is. I think Clorox is an outstanding company. Let me give you a small example. Whatever company you buy all the time, look at your feet. What shoes you got on? Do you got on Nikes? That's a stock. Put that on your watch list. Do not buy it right now, right? Because I'm going to teach y'all that later on. So anything you continually buy over and over and over and over and over again, look to see, be a capitalist, not a victim, find out what you buy on a continual basis and you add it to your watch list, right? Watch list is basically like when you're watching Netflix and you see something that maybe you too sleepy to fully watch the whole series, but it look good, you add it to your watch list. Same exact thing when it comes to stocks. Second thing is this. Add every stock that performed well the previous day. Now, y'all may say, what means perform well? That's a little bit deeper in depth that I go through in the book. But to give you an example, any stock that was green that day, right? So green means this. If it starts off, if everybody starts off at $0 every day, if you made $1 that day, you're green. If you lost money that day, you're red, right? So that's a simple way of trying to let you know any stock that was green that day that was around $10, but I really I kind of down it back some. So maybe $5. Like any stock that costs, okay, so I probably got to break that down, right? A stock may cost between, you know what I'm saying? Like we got penny stocks that are literally pennies. You got stocks that cost thousands of dollars, right? Literally, like one share. It's another thing to teach you, but one share may cost you $1,000 and one share may cost you 90 cents or less, right? At every stock above $5 that performed well that day. So that stock did well. So that stock that was $5 went to $5.64 at closing, right? So if it did well that day, you just add it to your watch list. You're not buying anything yet. Number 1 and number 2 do not cost you any money at all, right? Number 3 is this: review and research. So you're going to look at all the stocks on your watch list, all the stocks you already buy. You're looking at Kroger. You're looking at Shell gas stations. You're looking at BP. You look at all these places you already continually spend. You're looking at Nike. You're looking at these different things. You're trying to research why this stock was good that day. A lot of times if you get a stock like Webull, which you can get in my book, if you need a stock like, a platform like Webull, that's inside my book. You need a platform like Robinhood, that's in my book, where you literally can download my code, which that's how I get paid. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. If you download my code, I get paid. So if you learn my information, then use that, right? Again, use any platform at your disposal. If you have Cash App, you actually can trade on Cash App, but the stocks are limited. They don't have the full vast amount of stocks, but actually it's still good because it still limits your options of losing money too, right? It kind of box in the things where you can make money off of. So you still can trade stocks on Cash App. Do not let that go over y'all head. Y'all can trade stocks on Cash App. Look on Cash App to see what stocks is on there, but you won't get a chance to research and review stocks on there. Make sure you do your Googles. Any stock that you're going to buy, make sure you look at it first. Do not just buy it because you love it. You got to see why the stock is up or down, right? Number 4 is wait till the stock is down and then buy it. Never buy a stock on a good day. Buy a good stock on a bad day, right? I always think about this as the Beyonce theory, right? If like Beyonce is the flyest in the world, you want to say, right? But you want to catch Beyonce on a down day. You want to catch her when she up there, right? And Beyonce is with Jay-Z right now, who's a billionaire, right? You throwing your little, let's go to these little small little restaurants. We all got the restaurant list that we know about. You throw the little restaurant list of her, let's go to McDonald's, let's go to the, it's not going to move the needle, right? But if Beyonce fell all the way off, but we know her potential, then you can throw that little money at her to get her back going, right? Like, okay, boom, okay, I ain't really lost it, whatever, right? That's the type of energy when it comes to stocks. Think of it like relationships, because stocks are like relationships, right? And that's a whole nother topic, right? So buy a good stock on a bad day. Wait till the stock is down before you buy it. Now, this is the most important part, the hardest part, the part every stock market genius battles with. Like unless you got a strategy, which is this: sell it for a profit. Now that's the hardest part, because selling for a profit is the thing that I battle with all the time. Most stock investors battle with this topic because, for instance, if the stock going crazy, when do you sell it? If you see the stock go nuclear, do you sell it then or when it regress? I have a theory, and I'm going over that in my second book that will be dropping soon on when to sell a stock. It's going to be called Dash Resource Masterclass, which will be dropping by the top of the year. But at the end of the day, man, sell stocks not dope. Every Sunday, if you need the book, make sure you get that. There's way more information there to help you and guide you along the way, because that's only the watch list shopping portion, only the like the 5 steps. But I go deep in depth, and when it comes to that, look at the stars reviews on my actual book. Everybody rocking with it. Everybody that got the book making money off of it. Shout out to everybody who has. And man, salute to y'all, man. Sell stock not dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. It's your boy Dash. Welcome to the cool table, man. Be a capitalist, not a victim. It's lit for y'all. Yeah. Come on, stop sharing. Y'all stop sharing. Nah, y'all keep sharing. You know the vibes. That's like big ticket right now.